From you wake up every morning, you's a winner, yeah.
Take this off. Hello. To the back, to the back. And then I'll show you guys a week in my hair. Hopefully I can keep up. I eventually want to rock a braid out at the back, but I just braided my hair up for my work week, so my hair won't be out. Good morning, guys. It's Monday. I don't know why I look like so tired. I had enough rest. I think I did. I did go to bed a little late, but all my morning plans canceled, so I stayed in bed longer than usual. So I don't know why I still sound so tired. But anyway, for breakfast, I'm having an apple, 2 eggs, and a banana. So I'll probably eat the apple a little later. But let me show you guys the takedown. Hair still looks good, but I'm not gonna rock it like this, as I told you guys. Or did I tell you? I'm not gonna rock it with my hair down for work because that would be too cumbersome. Ooh. I'm gonna put it at the back, and I have this string. I'm gonna tie it at the back. So I can bring it to the front if I want, or just have it at the back. So that's how we're gonna rock the hair today. So anyway, see you guys later. Already at work, gonna eat my banana. Good morning, guys. It's Wednesday today. Y'all, I'm still trying to figure out this camera. Kind of stressing me out. This is what my hair looks like. Of course, edges sweated out. I'm in the car. I'm at work. Ooh, protect me, Lux, protect me. I'm at work. I'm eating my breakfast in my car. I have my protein shake. Well, protein oatmeal shake. Y'all, I'm trying to figure out my diet. Since I'm so busy, it's either I don't have time to eat or I don't eat much. So I'm really trying to like figure this out. So yeah, the hair. This is what the hair looks like. This is what the hair looks like. Oh, and my face is breaking out. Whatever, you guys know I don't really care. I mean, I care, but if my face is breaking out, all I can do is try to figure out how to stop the breakouts. But my hormonal acne is starting back, so I have to start taking my pills again. I may redo the front, but to be honest, y'all, I want to take out these beads. I really want to take out the beads because I'm tired of hearing clink, 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 clink. Even when I sleep, since my hair is so long, it's just annoying. But I have my hair tied in the back, not properly. When I showered, I put it into a high ponytail and it just dropped. So that's what's going on. And my hair still looks good. My students gave me a lot of compliments. Miss Simmons, I love your hair. Thank you, boos. Thank you, babies. But yeah, guys, today's Wednesday. I may take these beads out tomorrow, and I may redo the front, but depends on my schedule and if I have time or not, which I rarely do. So but we'll see. Gonna have a beautiful day today, beautiful Wednesday. See you guys. Oh, let me come more in the light. A little swivel. See y'all. Hey, let me give you guys that angle, well, a different angle today. I'm about to head home. About to head in the car, but actually I have to pick up my equipment, my cones, before I do that. So I have my head on, what I usually wear to work. And I wore the hair down today, as in I didn't have it wrapped today. Today is Thursday, by the way, and these beads are coming out hopefully tonight. Okay? Hey girl, let's take this hair off. Let's take it off. I think it'll be better if it'll definitely be a lot better if I had like 1 bead, maybe 2 on each strand. But let me today's Thursday, by the way. This is what the edges look like. My hair is done, capital D. I had a busy week where I had a lot of things to do and I was resting a lot, and I prioritized my rest because if I didn't take those naps and those rests in this week, sis, bro, auntie, uncle, I would have been, you know, let me start taking these out. The strands in the front have the 4 beads, and in the back there are 3 beads on each. So let me take them out just do everything in reverse and slide. I'm not gonna lie, the beads aren't the best on the ends, to be honest. But anyway, it's okay because we'll trim them out anyway. Guys, I'm gonna head home now. Up the hills today, so I'm going down in a valley, so I have my 15-minute drive. I might take a different route today and pop up on the beach. Do I have time for that? I have my 5:30 clients today, and that's all. I'm feeling for a beach day. Haven't done one. If you guys didn't know, but I'm letting you know, sometimes I would go to the beach after work just to like decompress and de-stress, but I haven't done that in a while because of let me pick up my cones. It's a girl razor. If I do rock this style again, I'm going to use less beads. But anyway, see you guys tomorrow. What's going on, guys? I'm eating a mint, but you see the hair. Today is Saturday, by the way, and today's wash day. The last time you guys saw me, I was taking out my beads, which I did that same day. Took all of them out and just wrapped my hair in this bun back here, and life has been so much lighter and less noise, you know. So I wore my hair like this yesterday as well, Friday. Today's Saturday. Just got home. I'm about to shower and take a nap first and deal with my hair a little later because I want to try a style, a twist out. So I'm thinking about rocking a twist out for my next week in my hair. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're going to end this vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye. We are done just in time for me to head out the house. It's 5:26. I don't know what time I told you guys that I started, but so this took me a little under an hour. Hair is twisted. I'm going to let it air dry a bit first, and I do think I want to put some gel on the ends, and I'll tell you guys how I feel about the product, I guess, as it dries or throughout the week. But bye.